Hey, what's up, PC enthusiasts? Welcome back to another video. I ordered an iPhone 7 Plus, and yeah, the package has arrived. And as you can tell from the box, it's not an iPhone box, but yeah, it's from Revibe. So you definitely know what's up. So they actually do sell brand new phones, I guess, but you can also get like ones that are used for a month or two and they still look good. So this is my iPhone 7 Plus. It got here yesterday. um yeah, the packaging looks good, everything looks good. I am not complaining because it's not an iPhone box, it doesn't matter. But yeah, we're gonna go right straight into it. It's a nice small box, not too heavy. Yeah, shows. Okay, this is, I'll show you that they did check it thoroughly. And there we go, look at it, looks good. Not gonna lie, it looks fresh. I thought it was gonna have scratches on the screen, but nothing. It comes with that cable over there. But anyway, let's just look at, oh, it looks good. It looks so fresh, it looks so good. I never thought it was gonna look that good. This is a lightning cable, type C to, I don't know, is it type C to lightning, whatever. But yeah, that's the cable right there. If you want, you can use an adapter. If maybe you have a type A adapter, so that can be used. A type A to type C adapter can work for you. And yeah, that's hassle free. You can get it on Take a Lot. um, by the way, let's just get right into the main thing. Switches on, which is good. At least that's not a scam. that's the first thing that you think about when you get an iPhone from somewhere. By the way, the phone is from Dubai. Came all the way here by flight. They sent it through DHL. And I actually live in South Africa. So yeah, it didn't take that long, actually, just a week.